What is interesting about ostrich, about zebras, about baboons, about waterbucks and other animals? Keep watching this to the end as we bring you this amazing side of Africa. An ostrich is the fastest bird on earth. It is very fast. It knows how to run. Do you know that an ostrich is the only bird that secretes urine separately? Because other birds, they don't do that. But an ostrich can secrete urine unlike other birds, which is so amazing, guys. This ostrich you can see here can swallow up to even 1 kilogram of pebbles and stones. Why? Because ostrich has no teeth, and when you see it eating like this, it will swallow stones mixed with food so that these stones can help in the grinding of food, which is so amazing, guys. So it will need sand, stones, pebbles so that it can help in grinding food. Guys, this is amazing about ostrich. But there are other animals here. We can talk of these waterbucks. As you can see, these ones are waterbucks because they like to be near the water. They like in the environment where there is much water, and there is so much we shall also know about these waterbucks. For example, that males are larger than females and others, and we shall see about their horns. But we shall first proceed with the ostrich as we continue in this video. These ostrich, as we have been talking about, they are found in savanna. That's why in Uganda you can find them in Chidepo Valley National Park, which is in the savanna. So they can graze just as you can see, like giraffes and other wild beasts or zebras. So ostrich can also graze like animals. They are birds, but they can graze like animals. They eat so many things. Ostrich can eat plants, ostrich can eat snakes, ostrich can eat insects, can eat lizards, rodents, and others. So that's maybe why it is big, because it is not so selective when it comes to food. So this is amazing about an ostrich. Therefore, when we talk of that food it eats, then we can know that it is omnivorous and it eats whatever is available. Guys, this is also a zebra. Zebra, we have talked about how to distinguish zebras, that distinctive black and white strip coats are the major ways to distinguish them, because no two zebras have the same strips. But now I have a question. Is it white with black strips, or it is black with white strips? Your answer is maybe as guessing as mine. But these strips are the major ways that they can be differentiated from others. And remember, in Uganda we have these we call plain zebras, and they are also found in Chidepo Valley National Park. Remember, there are other zebra species like mountain zebras and gravy zebras, but here mainly we have plain zebras, which we can find in Chidepo Valley National Park. So Uganda is a top destination for zebras, as you can see these beautiful and amazing animals, and you can put it on your bucket list to come and see zebras in these amazing national parks. Apart from zebras, you would wonder what are other animals you can see. There are so many. You can even find their giraffes, you can find their other animals. And guys, if you cannot visit all of these national parks, you can come to WEC, which is in Entebbe, or Uganda Wildlife Education Center. We normally know here as Entebbe Zoo, and you can have a caption of these amazing animals in Uganda. We have so much we can share with you guys about this zebra, but let's now proceed to another amazing animal as we share about animals that we have in Uganda. This WEC, which is Uganda Wildlife Education Center, is where we can find the zebras. Please don't forget, if you come to Uganda, In case you were not able to visit all of the national parks, you can come to these places. If you cannot come to this, you can come to Lake Mburo National Park. It has the highest concentration of zebras. We have talked about it in our previous videos. And also in Ichidepo Valley National Park, you can also see zebras. So there are only 3 places in Uganda where you see the zebras. 2 national parks, as we have explained, and 1 conservation place, which is Entebbe Zoo. These are the 2 places where you can find amazing zebras. You can also see other animals here in the background, like impala. Guys, I also explained about the impala, how the name came, that it came from the impala is a Zulu word which means which is for antelopes. So guys, now you can know why it is called impala, or where the name came from. There's so much amazing things about these amazing animals, and let's keep watching, guys, up to the end. But we have more coming. Let me come with another animal as we are proceeding watching this video, guys. Here we come with the baboons. The baboons are in the order of primates. So when you talk of primates in Uganda, we can talk of the baboons, but the major primates which we can find in Uganda and you cannot find anywhere else, we talk of mountain gorillas and chimpanzees. These are major primates that we have in Uganda, but we also have these baboons. This baboon they are in the cage because baboons are very stubborn. We know baboons as very stubborn primates, and they are in a group called troops. When you find them together, they are in a group called troops. They are primates with colorful face, as you can see, with this thick fur, and there is so much we can also explain about the baboons. They are natives of Africa, of course, and are mainly ground dwelling. Though you can see them climbing trees, most of the time baboons, they are on the ground. So they spend most of their time on the ground, though they love to be in the forest. They can be found in large groups, as we have said, in open woodlands, in savannas. That's why in Uganda you can find them almost in all the national parks. In many national parks in Uganda, you can just come across these baboons as you are going through in the park. When you talk of what they eat, these baboons, they can eat fruits majorly. They also eat grass. Yes, they also eat grass. They eat seeds, they eat roots, they also eat rodents, they eat birds. And by the way, baboons can also eat other primates. The baboons, they eat monkeys, especially the small monkeys. So like velvet monkeys or any other species of monkey, the baboons can eat them. So it is also shocking, but they eat other monkeys. Then when they are in the national parks or in their natural habitats, their major predator is hyenas, lions, cheetahs, then crocodiles and others. But majorly these are the major predators. These are the animals that try to chase baboons, or which eat them. They are social, and they can also groom each other, as you can see. Yeah, so when they are touching each other, they are removing the ticks or the pests, and that is the way of grooming, how animals groom each other. They are trouble causers. They cause troubles in nearby farmlands, anywhere they are. They just like destroying things. They can raid crops and destroy them around the parks, and they can jump over the barriers or the fences or anything. So for them, they are just troublemakers, and they can cause problems and troubles every time. That's why I think research shows that few people can domesticate baboons. Baboons are not domesticated because of their behaviors. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and we will come with more animals here in Uganda and their behaviors, or what is amazing about them. and hope you will enjoy. Keep watching this video, guys, and I ask you to give it a like in case it is your first time to watch our videos, and then keep watching others as we learn more about animals, as we bring you the amazing side of Africa, guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.